You're missing these 5 steps in your hair care routine. And if you skip this video, it honestly means you're not serious about your hair. And it can take you from this to this. And trust me, the second one is the game changer. Step 1, cleansing. And I'm not just talking about washing your hair, I'm talking about scalp. Because there is a dust sweat oil on your scalp. And if you don't clean it properly, it leads to hair fall, dandruff. But here's most people make this mistake thinking that shampooing can make their hair look thicker, stronger, or shinier. But remember, no matter which shampoo you use, its main job is just to clean your hair and scalp, nothing else. Now, how often should you shampoo per week? That totally depends on your lifestyle. If you have a desk job and you don't go out much, then shampoo 2 to 3 times a week is enough. And if you work in dusty conditions and travel a lot, then wash daily with a mild shampoo. Which shampoo to use? To choose the right shampoo, identify your hair type. So let me ask you, is your hair fine, thick, curly? And how is your scalp? Is it oily, dry, sensitive, or has a dandruff? And once you identify, read the ingredients of the shampoo and look for something saying moisturizing agents for dry hair or clarifying agents for oily hair. And for dandruff issue, look for the word like zinc pyrithione or salicylic acid, an exfoliant. Now that you choose the right shampoo, use your fingertips to massage your hair gently for at least 1 to 2 minutes and wash it with cold water so the scalp gets properly cleaned. Step 2, conditioning. Okay, let's be real, most of you don't even use conditioner after shampoo. Comment below if you're one of them. Shampoo often removes natural moisture, and that's why your hair feels dry and rough after shampooing. And to restore moisture so that your hair feels soft and healthy, you have to use conditioner. And the correct way to apply conditioner after shampoo is to squeeze out excess water from your hair. Then take conditioner according to your hair length and apply on your hair, not on scalp. Step 3, drying. Most people harshly rub their wet hair with a towel. This causes damage to hair. Instead, just gently tap on your hair and dry it with a towel, and it will prevent the damage. And if you use a hairdryer, then use it at normal cool temperature. Step 4, oiling. To get moisture, shine, smoothness, you can use oil or any serum you like. Apply only 2 to 3 drops of oil on your hair, not on the scalp. The scalp is naturally oily. It doesn't need extra oil. Also, once a month, you can do a good massage to your hair with oil. But remember, if you have dandruff, avoid heavy oiling and never leave oil overnight. Just keep it for an hour and then wash your hair. Also, if you're using any styling products like hairspray, gel, don't let this product touch your scalp. And if you style in the morning, always wash your hair before going to bed. Never leave these styling products overnight. These small habits will make a big difference in your hair health. Step 5, stress management. Stress is the reason why a lot of young people are losing their hair. Try stress management techniques like exercise, meditation, or deep breathing exercises. And if you don't like to do this, then do something you like. It could be hobby, eating healthy, going out with someone, or explore something new that you always wanted to do. The whole point of doing this is for you get out of that stress zone, because stress triggers hair fall. Well, that's it. If you want more videos like this, then make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that bell icon, and also check out the link in the description.